Hi guys, so today we are bringing the heat with a flavor packed recipe, Cajun Chicken Pasta. This dish blends the bold spices of Cajun cuisine with the comforting warmth of pasta. Tender chicken is cooked in a creamy sauce infused with Cajun spices like paprika, cayenne pepper and a hint of garlic, all tossed with your favorite pasta. Get ready for a flavor explosion. This recipe is a perfect balance of spicy, savory and creamy. Whether you are a fan of Cajun or Italian food or simply love trying new things, you won't want to miss this. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to cook the pasta, keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 500 grams penne pasta, add some salt to taste, 4 tablespoons cooking oil and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the pasta until 90% cooked. Then take 500 grams chicken breast, cut in thin strips, add some salt to taste, add half tablespoon paprika powder, half tablespoon Cajun seasoning, half tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about half an hour. Then check on the pasta. So the pasta is cooked almost 90% now. Then remove around 2 cups pasta water and keep aside. It will be used later while preparing the pasta. Then simply strain the pasta. Then in a hot pan add oil, add the marinated chicken and fry the chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 garlic cloves chopped, 2 onions chopped, 2 bell peppers cut in small cubes, and then fry it until the onion and bell peppers are soft. Then add 2 tomato puree, just blend the tomato puree into smooth puree. Then add 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 cup double cream, 2 cups pasta water, 2 tablespoons Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons dried Italian herbs, 2 teaspoons dried parsley, and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube and give it a nice mix. Then add the cooked pasta and give it a nice mix. Let the pasta nicely cook in the sauce. Then add the cooked chicken. Add half cup grated Parmesan cheese and give it a nice mix. And allow the cheese to melt nicely. Then cover the pasta and cook it for about 2 minutes on a low flame. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering Cajun chicken pasta that's sure to impress your friends and family. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. It's a real flavor explosion and a perfect blend of Cajun spice and Italian comfort. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.